They didn't send me the evidence. They're saying like if I want evidence, it can be provided by to the court or what's something. Yours is mine, and what's mine is mine.
Even if I wear it as a crop top,
Sean.
make it fit.
So it's my version of bangers. Hello, Riv. Oh my gosh, I have a visitor. Hello, Rivy. Guys, I'm actually here in my bedroom doing some editing. I'm editing the vlog that's gonna drop today. Yeah. And as I strap River inside the car. Yeah, this is for today. It's Sunday. Hello, Rivy. Hello, Rivy. Mommy, snookums. Hi. Careful, Riv. Oops.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Is that you in the mirror, Rivy? Say hi, River. Give you kisses. Say mwah. Kisses. Mwah. Careful, Riv. Rivy, be careful. Boy. Let me turn this camera off because River is just too much. Hey. Oh my goodness. The wind is killing us. Hey guys. Wanted to welcome you guys to a new vlog. Well, we wanted to welcome you guys to a new vlog, y'all. We are heading out. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. I'm SK if you are new to the channel, and this is my baby boy. What you looking at? Rivy's being fast. So yeah, this is my baby boy River, and the sun is in his eye. Let me strap him in. I will strap him in, and then I'll come back to you guys. All right. Yeah. So we're on the move. No, I'm in the passenger seat today. Sean is in the driver's seat. Sean, mind the thing. Sean. Oh my gosh, Sean. Sean, you're to the car. I regret making you drive now. Can you stop?
Stop the car or what?
That's not even funny. Sean, put two hands on the wheel, please. Thank you very much.
Alright, fine.
Don't make me change my mind because I always say that you are one of the very few people that I trust driving me with my eyes closed, okay? Don't let me take that back, please. I don't like people doing risky stuff with me, you know. Oh, keep your both hands on the wheel and them kind of things there and stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, if you watched my previous vlog at the end, remember I told you guys I had to go to the supermarket and whatever. But before I do all of that, I actually need to go to the post office. So I actually got, for the very first time in my life, I've been driving for almost 18 years. I've been driving for 18 years. I actually got my driver's license in April, you know? Yeah, I've been driving for 18 years. Could you imagine that? Whoa, big up to me. Anyways, I've never gotten like a speeding ticket, never been pulled over by the police, none of that stuff. And can you believe, remember when I went to Jamaica and food shopping, I went to Harleston the other day, I actually got a speeding ticket. Apparently I was doing 47 in a 40-mile zone, and it's so weird because that was like nearer to where I live. So I am fully aware that there's speed cameras there, and like I don't know what happened, like maybe the cameras malfunction or something, because why would I deliberately be doing 47 in a 40-mile zone? And they didn't send me the right, we're going right. They didn't send me the evidence. They're saying like if I want evidence, like this can be provided by to the court or something. So that's like if I want to take it a bit further, like to like contest it or something, you know. And I'm like, man. So anyways, I've just filled out the form, and it's so funny, Sean, you know, the other day I was like saying, so long I get a letter in the post, and then when I see 3, one from Thames Valley Police, speeding ticket. So anyways, I filled out the form, and there's a section on there where you could tick if you want to be considered for a speeding course, which is like a all-day session. I think I've never been to one, but a friend of mine told me that she's been to two. It's like all day, where it's like a speed awareness course. I don't need a speed awareness course. I'm such a safe driver, 18 years on the road, and I don't speed or any of that stuff. And one time, like, how did, like, I don't know. Anyways, yes, I'm headed to the post office now to go and post that off. Yeah, and just get it over with. So super nice. And then we're gonna go and take back the walker as well. Remember I told you guys that? Yeah, we're going straight. We're going by next up there by the post office. Yeah, because remember I told you guys we were gonna return the walker, that river that we bought for River, because yeah, I've explained that in the previous vlog. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna go to the post office, and then I'll just catch back up with you guys a bit later, I suppose. All right, in the meantime, make sure you like the video, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. All right, people, catch you guys in a bit. Done and posted. There's a bit of a queue inside the post office, as you can see, but it actually went by really quick. Tell me why ShéKayla texted me while I was in the post office telling me that she hears somebody, because she's the one that opted not to come. Hey Riv, what's up? Hi, the sun in your face. Yeah, so tell me why ShéKayla texted my phone, because she opted not to come. So she's not in the mood, she can't be bothered, so she was like watching some new movie she started on Netflix. So that's why she's not here. And she gonna text me, tell me she hear the door open. I'm like, what? So I tell her, okay, I video call her straight away. And I came back inside the car, because obviously I'm not that far away. So I put it on screen record, and I tell her turn around her camera, and she take her time, went to the door, and then realized now somebody dropped something through the door, the postman or something about voting. And I'm like, you see how this children could frighten you? She's telling me she's in the kitchen. She went to the kitchen and she heard the door, so she run in her bedroom. ShéKayla is so different to me, because I'm not running no bedroom. If I hear somebody open my door, straight away I run in towards that door, because there's no way for me to hide. Like I need to get it done and like over with straight away. Either you're gonna kill me, or I don't know, we gonna fight. So yeah, I'm not going to hide. Like I gotta fight you. So don't be coming up in my house, like, because where can I hide in my flat? I ain't got much places. So might as well fight. Anyhow, yeah. Hold on, guys, I'm just here getting some more like baby snacks and stuff like that for River. And Shawnee there pointed out something, because he saw these prices, he saw something change and light up. So he was like, are these digital? So he's trying to tell me, yes, they're digital. And they are digital, because he stopped a store worker yeah, to ask. So as you can see, right, like say these yogurts, it says out of stock. Obviously they're not gonna print something just to come down here and slide it in, so they control it from upstairs or wherever it is that they are, and they can change the prices, you know. So I could be standing here and see this jump back to 75p. That's actually cool.
Not only are they digital, they're wireless. Look at that, they're wireless.
That is so cool. Wow, I wonder how many supermarkets are like that. So gone are the days, huh, where people had to come and like slide it in and like change it, because the fact that they could put that's actually great. So when they restock the shelf now, they could take this off, or they're gonna probably change the whole thing back to white. They could change it then as well.
Yes.
Oh my god, that is so cool, yeah.
It's colored, as you can see, it's red. So it's not just black and white, or you know.
So probably when it's back in stock, it'll turn back to white.
I don't know why it's so interesting to me or fascinating, but it is
interesting. Cool. Oh my gosh, y'all learned something today. If y'all didn't know, or if y'all already know and thinking like, only know them know these things where them live. Oh y'all, and also here, right, we here by the sugars. As you can see, it says off, just to show you guys if y'all weren't convinced that it's real digital, you know. So nothing is right here, so I'm guessing that the egg is not supposed to be there. So I'm guessing because there's nothing here, they actually turned it off. So it says Aldi off. Yeah. And then obviously they have the prices here and stuff. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, anyways, I just wanted to show y'all. Baby needs some eggs. Oh, Aldi have some really nice big eggs. The 15-pack eggs. Sean, them done. Is that a good pack? Is that a good pack? But I don't like getting the last 2 eggs on the shelf though. I'm a bit funny with items I left back and I don't get them. Yeah, we're gonna have to get the 12-pack. And you see, look, let me show them. The 15-pack of eggs is actually for $2.49. And then you have 12 eggs, $2.19. Yeah, we can get 22 packs, 24. They're usually like quite big. Dirty.
Shit.
Always full.
Because it come out of the egg booty. Oh, come out of the chicken booty. Careful behind.
Sorry. Oh gosh. I must say though, since I come up here, I realize you just find eggs that very dirty. You know, Vanessa said that I'd say the other day when I was cooking the chicken neck, when I was showing them the chicken neck, I said that them leave a lot of chicken on the neck.
Just one.
2, get 2. So I say, hold on. I said that. She said, yeah. She said, you had me laughing. You said they leave a lot of chicken on the neck. And I went to say, it's meat, no? I didn't notice that. I said, oh, they left a lot of chicken on this chicken neck. Anyways, yeah, let me continue my shopping. You see, this is what my trolley looking like. And I didn't vlog because, yeah, I just wanted to hurry up, get in and out. Because it's quite full in here today. A lot of folks in here. So, and I have been giving you loads of hauls anyways. Y'all probably tired of seeing me coming in here shopping in Aldi. So, yeah, let's get to... Alright folks, see y'all outside. Let's go, Rivy. What you want the receipt? Did you spend money? Yes, the River want to know how much we spent? River, was it your money? Right. I mean, I'm gonna say this is a very long receipt. Look at it. Wait, Rivy, wait. Because all you gotta do is rag up stuff. Hold on, man. Lord have mercy. So yeah, we finished now. And we're just gonna head to the car to unpack the stuff. So as you guys can see, we start bringing in bags inside now, because we're gonna just stay out here and take our time and bag them up properly, because it's too much of a rush when we do it inside. Like, too much of a rush. I explained that in a short video that I did. that it's easier for us to bring our bags outside, because if you're unaware, in England we have to pay for our own bags, so we bring our own bags, and then we come out here, we're gonna put them in the boot, in the trunk, and yeah, and organize them properly. So yeah, but we're gonna watch River having fun with the receipt. Watch him. Anything, you know, that's why you don't need to buy them. That's why you don't need to buy them toys as such, you know, because everything is a toy nowadays. So now I feel like, because I didn't think that we would have buy so much stuff, Sean, so I don't know if we have enough bags. Hopefully we do. Let me go grab the camera. Hold on. Yeah, so we're just gonna, oh, we need to put River in first, huh? And then put this stuff on top. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Hold on. Let's get him in. Yeah, guys, so I put River in. River is just there. Hello, Rivy! Yeah. Oh, babe, the egg. You see the egg around here fall out?
No, I put it around there.
Oh, you put it. Oh, okay. Oh, we don't have any. Oh, yeah, we do have. We can rest it in. Put it in this bag. See that? Put it in this bag. Yeah, guys. So we're just taking our time. When I say we, I mean Sean. You know, because Sean take over the packing ups and whatnots. So I'm gonna just rest this here. You putting anything else on top of the vegetable stuff, Sean? I rest the egg on top of it. Or should I put the egg in it?
Yeah, I can put it on top of it.
Yeah. The meat them going already? Oh, so we can.
Oh, yes, sir.
Alright, okay. Yeah, so we're still out here. It's so strange though, right, Sean, that like we're here and you cannot tell that this is Aldi. Like there's no clear-cut sign that says Aldi. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Usually you go Tesco, you see the big Tesco sign, you see the big, you know, Sainsbury's, this, that. But here, if you can see, guys, like you cannot tell that it's Aldi.
You know what I mean?
But whatever. Let me get my and River in there patiently waiting for us. Let me grab the oh, Sean, we have another bag in the front. I left my camera on the floor of the car. Hopefully it ain't hot, because today is a nice hot day, well warm day. Look, babe, another bag in case you need it. You see how far you reach. You know, could I do like a little haul out here, Sean? A little mini haul. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect time to, like, since I didn't vlog inside and people like to know, like, all up in the business and stuff while we buy. Oh, you know, I wanted to show y'all. So I buy a Coca-Cola, right? A Coca-Cola costs like £2 something. I think it was £2.20 something. Yeah. And I also bought a cola, original cola. It's not Coca-Cola, it's cola. But if you ask me, I mean, I think it could do, and it was 42 pence. It's shot 42 pence. Obviously you can tell that it's not Coca-Cola when you drink it, but it's not, to me, it's not that far off. Yeah, Sean, you want to lead this vlog? Can you tell the people where you're packing up? Vlog, let me hear you. So say, guys, right now I am what are you doing? You silly bad enough. Y'all, I tell Sean that I forget to wear off for this. So if y'all see me in a future vlog wearing this, just know that I stole it from Sean, okay? Okay?
The eye long, I would know that.
Who's we know that? My eye long, babe, but what's yours is mine. And what's mine is mine, because unfortunately, your mine's can't fit you. It's Sean?
Me make it fit.
But it's not my fault.
If you go like this, me guarantee me gonna make that fit. Even if it dip on top of my belly like this, that big skin, me make it fit. Even if me have to wear it as a crop top,
Sean.
make it fit. If you wear mine, me make that fit.
Sean, you
Me
act
don't
like
stretch
it's
it
my
out.
fault.
I'm done stretch it out.
Let me show you all what I'm wearing. Hold on there. Ooh, hey guys. So this is me today. Ooh, see, so this is nice and fitted on me. So be Sean can't get a wear off of this. Oh, Sean, you look. Smile. Oh, you can't see me. Oh, come on here. Smile. Oh gosh. All right, my phone full up now. It stopped record. My phone stopped recording. You know, Sean, it says storage full, so I have to just vlog on the camera now. I use the camera and the phone sometimes. When I use the camera though to do these things, it takes up so much. What do you call it, Sean?
Space.
It's space. It's because it'll be a bigger file because of the quality. You know, the camera quality is better than the quality on the phone. So. Yeah, I don't. Is it on 4K? This is not on 4K, is it? You didn't put it on the 4K set. This is just. Yeah. We getting somewhere, y'all. Look at that. We nearly done. Whoa. So we got 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're. Oh, let me show y'all. I bought this one time, right? Scent boosters. You just throw it in with your load and it freshens up the clothes a lot. You're still gonna put fabric softener and stuff, but this is just to give it like an extra boost. So I just normally buy this as well. So yeah. You know, buy another toothpaste, Sean. This says for naturally whiter teeth. I feel like I always buy toothpaste that says stuff like that. I don't really see the difference no matter what toothpaste I use. Or maybe it's not noticeable. I don't know. Yeah, so these are like mostly like toiletries and whatever, air fresheners. I found, oh, also, I'm telling y'all everything, you know. This is probably like mostly for UK people, but this is a mouthwash. It's called Dentitex.
Burn out your backside.
Yeah. You know, but it
Burn out your backside.
no, but you see, we like Listerine because I bought a Listerine and I feel like if a Listerine don't burn, it's not working. Because the other one, I like when it burn and like it make me feel like, yeah, it does kill up some bacteria or whatever. So I bought this one and this is really, really good. It says 10-in-1 benefits. 12-hour action, gum protection, blah blah blah. You know, so instead of buying expensive Listerine, I actually don't know how much is for this though, but I'm pretty sure it's under £1. This is good. It's a better thing than to buy expensive Listerine, because Listerine nowadays costs probably like £3 or something. I don't know, for like a big bottle. So yeah, this works just as good. Yeah, we can't stay out too long today, babe, with the cold stuff. Even though it's not hot, but you know, these are like regular snacks. You find any? Oh yeah, these. I'm gonna bring these in the car. I buy him carrot puffs, y'all. He likes it. So if he makes some noise in the car, I can give him one of these to puff on. Actually, yeah. Let me check to see what he's doing. Hey, Riff. Are you in here kicking? You in here kicking? What's up? Let me see that smile. Hi. Look at that smile, y'all. You always want to touch the camera, huh? You're so cute. You're such a cutie patootie, aren't you? Give the camera kisses. He's in there patiently waiting. Let me give you back your pacifier. Sometimes when River chilling and having his own fun, we need to mind our business because we don't want to set him off. Alright, y'all, so this is us. We're all packed up. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of groceries from Aldi. So this is like our 2-week shopping right here. Maybe we buy like extra stuff this time, I don't know, because yeah, and we also need to go to Asda as well. Let me close this now. Yeah, so we're going to Asda. Let me get some sanitizer here, babe. Probably should have sanitized before I even started like holding the camera and stuff. Thank you. Hold on, let me sanitize my hands. Let's sanitize my hands. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna go to Asda. We're gonna go to Asda because you know we don't get everything that we need from Aldi, so we gotta go to like the world food aisles and stuff like that in Asda, because Aldi don't have that. So for all the stuff that I know we need to go and get nappies for River as well. There are some things that we don't compromise on, like rice and stuff like that we don't buy from Aldi. So we're gonna go to Asda to just get those couple of things and then head home and make dinner and stuff. So catch you guys somewhere on the journey, I guess. All right.
Okay, and I am going to bed. I was out there watching The Night Agent, right, on Netflix. It's I think it's like a 10-episode series or something. It's really good. So I've just out there like been like binge watching. Sean fell asleep. He always falls asleep. He's like the worst person to watch TV with, honestly. But I feel like letting him just sleep out there. He don't even know I'm in the bedroom. He doesn't have a clue because he's out there just fast asleep, and we were supposed to be watching the series together. Like, he sucks. He sucks big time, and I don't feel like I shouldn't go out there and tell him like come to bed, you know. He probably out there snoring away. Anyhow, y'all, I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the morning. Sean is just ridiculous. Good night.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at my little twist. It's the next day and I forgot my camera inside the car. So I just came down. It's actually midday. Sean just left for work as well. He just drove off. He's working pretty late today. He left late today, so yeah. So I came down to get my cam and I am in my robe. Okay, talks me Mrs. Henry. Y'all ever see this robe? Yeah, and it's such a beautiful day. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Taking all this sun that's giving me a natural filter. Yeah, I feel like a little schoolgirl with my hair twist like this. I remember I used to go to school and twist the front, and this style used to be rocking, you know. You twist the front and, you know. But I twisted it instead of putting in the hot curler, so I'm going to pull this out and then it's going to have a curl or whatever. Yeah. Crap, did I just mess up the seat though? Oh my gosh. Hold on, people. Alright. That's me done. Come to get some water as well. Got a lot of some water. Sometimes we leave the water out in the trunk of the car because it's so much to bring up. So it's like, and the thing with up here is that it's not hot, so the waters don't ever turn hot in the trunk. You could actually just drink it straight away when you take it out. Yeah, it's actually like cold water, as if it's been in the fridge this whole time. Perks of winter / spring cold weather or whatever. Catch you guys a bit later. I wonder if I'm gonna cook today. I don't even know if I'm gonna cook today, because I mean, yeah, we'll see. Anywho, catch you guys in a bit. Yeah, it's actually dinner time. I still have my hair like this, yeah. I ain't comb it out yet. I've been like this, like, cause I've been doing some cleaning, y'all. I've been scrubbing, like, I've been doing a little bit of cleaning, and I don't know if I told you guys earlier, like, if I was gonna cook. Y'all won't believe what I'm cooking. It's not a cook with me. I just want to show you. I'm just doing mashed potato and sausage. So I'm doing bangers and mash. The Brits call it bangers and mash. So I'm just doing like sausage. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys now. Hold on. So my potatoes are like they proper mash up now. I need to mash them. They're well cooked. These potatoes cook right out. And then I have my sausage. I just turned off the stove. Actually, I cut it in half. So if it look weird, it's because I actually cut it in half. So this is what Sean probably gonna be like, bangers. Because I don't even think you know that they call it bangers over here. So ShéKayla told me to like cut up a big one for her. So it look kind of, it don't really look as appetizing, eh? But I cut up like onions and garlic and stuff like that. So that's somewhere in there. And yeah, so it's my version of bangers. And I'm going to mash these potatoes now. And yeah, and that's dinner. So quick. I wasn't able to like, I was just not in the mood to like season up anything and you know, like any meats and stuff. So I decided like, man, what's in the freezer or what's in the fridge that I could just quickly whip up, and that was it. I saw sausages and I was like, sausage it is, sausage, aka bangers and mash. Anyways, I'm gonna go and mash these potatoes now. River had some kind of beef something, is baby food. Yeah, ShéKayla fed him for me, but I don't know if he enjoyed it, because she said he wasn't really like eating it. He had some, so I don't know. So I'm gonna go sort him out, and because it is probably almost 7, but outside is so nice. That's what I like about springtime, y'all. The weather is changing outside. We getting longer days, and you know when summer comes, the days even longer because the sun ain't gonna set to like 9-10 o'clock. So yeah, anyways, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Y'all know tomorrow is my birthday though. I'm gonna be 35, aka 30. Hey, I posted a thing on my Instagram saying I've been 29 for so many years. So I'm like, maybe I could officially turn 30. So I'm officially turning 30 tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Oh, shower make it hit me so hard though. Hello. What's up, my beautiful people? Hush your mouth. So guys, today I actually turned 35. Can you believe it? Because I can't believe it. It's still very surreal, and I cannot believe that I am a 35-year-old woman. Okay, anyways, I didn't do much today because if you've been following me for a while, you know that we don't do. Oh, Shani, wave, say hi guys. Sean is like peeking. Sean just finished work, and I have here, I'm gonna show you guys. Sean got me before he went to work this morning. Sean, look here. Sean bought me. Sean, oh, hold on, let me go in the living room, y'all. Hold on. I need to turn on this light then, huh? You can see me good?
Yeah.
So Sean actually got me a Pandora bracelet. So if you, I could probably like insert, hold on, let me fix it good before Sean comes down on my hand. This is not even my good hand. Oh, but I turned this kind of backwards now. Oh. Silly me. Anyways, it's a Pandora bracelet with a few charms on it. So he got me the S, which is for ShéKayla, and an R for River. I think it on backwards, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then this one says, is this forever love, babe? Love forever? I was just so surprised. You can see me? I was just so surprised though. Sean, y'all know that for like more than, how old are you, ShéKayla? 12, going on 13? I think like for some 12, 11, 12 years at least, I haven't, me turn on Miss Rachel, cause River act like this is his place. I have like never celebrated my birthday. I always say like religious reasons and stuff, so I never expect anyone to buy me anything, and I think this is like the first time they're getting a gift.
It's not a birthday gift, it's just a...
What's it? A spring gift? Sean always trying to get me gifts and then talking about, oh, it's just a winter gift. So if Sean buy me something for Christmas, he's gonna call it a winter gift. But we know it's for Christmas.
It's a winter gift.
Yes, I was quite surprised. Opened this morning before Sean went to work, and then package came. So I'm gonna open that right now. I guess I was supposed to open it before Sean got home, but he finished work a bit early, so you can see me open it. At least you can see like my natural surprise when I like, ah. But I don't know how to open it, babe. What's going on? Oh my gosh, hold on, let me just take it out first.
What are you looking at?
Come look here. Oh, you got it. You smiling? So we have some beautiful flowers. It says, shh, your flowers are sleeping and the cold makes them floppy. Just use the guide inside to wake them up. Okay. All right. Watch nothing. Sean didn't send me dead flowers. They're just a bit floppy because them cold. So Sean, we need to wake them up. Here they are. We need to wake them up. People always smell flowers. I need to wake them up, babe, so I could see the true beauty. So let's do that, and then we will think, because these need to open up.
Yeah,
they need to open up so you guys can see. But yeah, this is what it is. Thank you so much, baby. Let's see. I need to read the card. Sean gave him a card. Sean even did a special message in the card. Let me see what Sean wrote this card. Hello, Mrs. Henry. Ooh. Ooh. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I love you and I am thinking about you. Love always, Mr. Henry, aka Papi.
That's you know
seriously,
you know it's Papi.
Sean gave himself that name, Papi.
I did not give myself that name.
I didn't give you that name.
You didn't give it to me.
Do I call you Papi? Do I say you're my Papi?
But people give me that name. I've had that name.
Okay, Papi. So y'all need to call Sean Papi.
Hey, laughing, what's so funny?
Can't even River name Papito.
This is Papito.
River name Papito, you know, Papito. Oh, babe, this is lovely.
Right, Papa? Yes.
You always smiling. What's your face? Were you thinking of me though?
Of course, that's why I come home.
So I was supposed to open this. Obviously, Sean was supposed to be at work when I opened this. But I think when it came, I was about to go freshen up and all of that stuff. And then I was surprised that Sean left early. So I was like, okay, well, he's coming. He could see me when I open this and stuff, to see my little reaction and stuff like that. But we need to go wake these flowers up so we can see the true beauty, because they are beautiful flowers. There's like 1, 2, 3. Is there 4? Yes, 4 different types of flowers in here. So, but we need to eat. So let me just rest this right here. Let's bring it around here, babe. I'm gonna bring it. ShéKayla, why you look like you got stress and problem? So ShéKayla actually made dinner today. ShéKayla's like, I'm gonna make dinner So she made what? Oh, sorry, what was your dish? Chicken. I'll show you guys. Let's go in the kitchen and see what ShéKayla made for dinner. So this is what ShéKayla made. This is chicken pasta. This is what she made for dinner. So we're gonna go and have the y'all want me to try it for y'all? I'll tell y'all how it is. But she made this all by herself, y'all. ShéKayla's a top chef now. ShéKayla's a top chef. She did a brownie as well. But I guess we need to take this out and she's gonna cut it up. Kayla went all out bad. We got dinner and dessert. Yeah. Y'all, I am trying to like put my flowers in a vase. Is it vase or vase, babe? I just say vase. So you know, I knew nothing about taking care of flowers. Like it says to clip what 2 to 5 centimeters off the stem, and then they said to put 3 to 5 centimeters off of the stem, and they said flower food. This is for today, and they sent one for day 3. So like every few days they're supposed to give the flowers food, and every day, yeah. This is the other one. It says this is for day 3. So the one for today, it will serve it for like a good few days well. And then it says to put it in 1 liter of water. This is a whole vase. I normally used to just put enough for the stem. You know, like the bottom bit. Didn't realize I had to like either have a small vase or something. Yeah, so that's what I did, and we're gonna put them in it. So this is the vase or vase, and then I don't know.
Vase, vase.
I think I just say vase or vase. I don't know. See, Sean, that's too much though. Look at that. Oh, I think my vase too small. So then all this flower food now. What gonna happen? Hold this camera. I'm gonna have to throw off some. But you know the vase I have with the fake flowers in the living room? That bigger boy is gold. That probably would have been better. I'll just throw off some. I'm sure it'll be fine. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So probably like when you guys see this next, everything would have blossomed. Because what they do, guys, is they send it before it's like fully ready, so it can bloom and it will last longer. Yeah, so hopefully before the week ends, before y'all get this vlog on Sunday, y'all will see it bloom. But yeah, these are my beautiful flowers that my hubby gave me. Oh, thank you so much, baby. Thank you so much. Oh, look, can they see good? Yeah, they're very beautiful. Look at that. What do you guys think? Very nice. Yeah. I feel like I have chicken in my teeth from the food. So if I do, please excuse me. Wow. Do I have food though? Do I have food?
Yeah.
I do. Pick it out for me now. You know, because it's right here. I could feel it. Just use a fingernail. You know, wipe your bottom recently, right?
Is that cute?
Alright. Sorry, because Sean's wife is prim and proper. Alright, we don't do these things on YouTube. Anyways, what were you saying, baby? Yeah, see. Moving on, babe. Lost my voice just now. You see that? What were you gonna say? Yeah, I did pointed at the flowers and you said, do you guys remember
what color was our flower bouquet when we got married? What color was it?
Oh, Sean!
No, Sean. No, what color was it?
Oh my gosh, Sean, you're gonna make me cry. Sean, this was our color. Did we oh, babe, oh my god, that is so sad.
Oh God, yeah, all of this extra.
Oh my gosh,
extraness,
Sean.
but yes, that was
Guys, this made me love them even more now. This was our color. Oh my gosh. Wow. That didn't even like click, you know. Sometimes I just see flowers and I was like, oh, this is beautiful, but it didn't even like click. That was our color. Thank you so much, baby. You're so thoughtful. What a beautiful spring surprise. Thank you so much. Yeah. I feel special, but Sean does make me feel special all the time. That's how you're supposed to make your wife feel, right? Do I make you feel special? You need flowers? Sean, if I send you flowers, would you be happy about that? Is it a thing? Can women send men flowers? Men don't get flowers. Men don't get flowers. Would be nice though. You wouldn't want flowers. Could you imagine if I sent Sean flowers at work and Sean coming outside with a bouquet? Everybody's gonna just say, oh, is that for the wife? Imagine Sean saying, no, it's from the wife. They're gonna be like, oh.
They're gonna be jealous.
They're gonna probably be like, who wears the pants?
No, they're gonna be jealous. They should be jealous.
Oh my gosh.
They should be jealous.
So, babe, what we have planned for later? Oh, we need to go and eat this brownie. Oh, I should have taken out the ice cream. Well, I'm gonna go and sort out River. Cause River just a little champ. River's out there and he own little wall. Y'all saw him earlier, right? He out there just playing, having his own little fun. He's a good boy, you know. 90%. Should we give him that high of a rating? 90% of the time?
75.
75. Nah, maybe 85, babe. Remember, it's only night time. He does really act up sometimes.
75% of the time, he is a little brat.
No, 25.
Yes, it's good 75%, and that's high.
But they don't ever see it, you know, because every time I'm vlogging, River is always just there looking all cute with his little gestures and stuff like that. But never when he like doing the things that he be up to. We hardly just vlog them. Yeah. Rare, you know.
Yeah. For the most part, though, he's good.
Yeah, he's a good boy. So yeah, I'm gonna go sort him out. I need to freshen him up now, anyways, and get him ready for bed because it's after 7 now, right? What's the time? 7? Yeah, by 7:30. I'm gonna tell you, we aim to have him in bed between 7 and 8. By 8 o'clock, River should be like out. So no, he will but yeah, well, sometimes it doesn't, but a lot of times he don't fall asleep, babe, before 8. No, I feel like right now is the teething why he does act up like that in the night time and stuff, because I don't give him anything for it. I just give him like breast milk, and then that kind of help like soothe him a little bit, and then he falls back to sleep. So I think for now, while he's in the teething phase, he can actually be forgiven, right? After this, he got no excuse. How long he does teeth for? Oh, like when you reach how old?
10.
Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go sort him out, and then we're gonna just have this dessert that ShéKayla made, the brownies and stuff, probably with some ice cream.
Well, that's fine.
Thank you, babe. Oh, before I cut off this camera, it says that flowers should not go near windowsills. What else is it? And flowers don't like dirty water, they die. So they said to change your they said to change the water every couple of days.
The flowers got bougie on us because the tree was out in the dirt. But all of a sudden, oh, we don't like dirty water. The flowers got bougie on us.
Well,
you know, but
that's what the card says. That flowers don't like dirty water, so please change the water every couple of days.
And keep away from fruits.
And put the
so all kind of rules now in one house for some flowers, but it is what it is.
So I guess we should keep it like on a counter. That's why I wish I had an island. Our next house, wherever we live, like our house that we buy, have to have an island. Cause now I don't know where to put these flowers. They're like too high to go under the
you know, up on the windowsill.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it there because it's like
going on the windowsill.
There's no way in the kitchen that I could put it, and it's beautiful by the window.
Yeah.
You know.
Up there to go.
Oh, I need to clean my window, Sean. When was the last time the window cleaners come?
Oh, there it go.
Because it looks so beautiful there, and then when I'm walking from downstairs to come, I can see it. It's very beautiful when it bloom out and stuff. I'm gonna leave it there, whatever. So anyways, y'all make sure you like up this video. What you do? What you buy? You good?
I'm alright.
Oh, Sean bite into a fruit just now. I was like, what the heck? Thought your teeth gone, Sean. Yeah, so let's go start out review. Oh, I need to wash my hand. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow, I think. Yeah, alright. Sean, say peace. Oh, you know the big up crew reached 100,000 subscribers now. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Guys, I just cooked some fried rice. Fell for some Chinese today. So this is my version of fried rice. And I did some, this is pork. So I kind of like fry it a little bit. My friend was telling me like how to do it. So she's like, yeah, I put some soy sauce, some lemon juice, and you know, the little seasoning stuff like that, garlic, herbs, and I kind of like fry it. And then I put it in the oven just so it could be a bit juicy. Yeah, that's it. That's dinner. Oh, yeah. Say hi, ShéKayla. Yeah, guys, we're actually no, I didn't bring his blanket in. Yeah, should I bring his baby bag too? There's a little blanket in there. Guys, we're actually headed to the dentist. We have not been to the dentist in some years. When was the last time you've been to the dentist? You don't know? You can't remember? That's really bad. We haven't been to the dentist in a long time, so we're all going to the dentist. Sean is down there with River. I don't know if River gonna see the dentist. You got 2 teeth, why he can't see the dentist? Sean is here. You passing it, babe? It's right here. Alright, so we're going inside. I don't know if I'm gonna get to like vlog anything, but we're all going for like checkups and stuff like that. So yeah, there's Sean. Alright, people. Okay. Open your mouth again. And there's a shadow there, but I have to take some x-rays to diagnose that properly. River is here playing with his sister, y'all. Hello, River. Look at River here, y'all. River here is growing. Talk to me. Eh? This used to be all paste down. Now I comb it this morning for the first time with the comb. Hey, don't be loud. Yeah, we're all done with the dentist. Sean does come out as well. None of us in here were teeth clean today. The dentist say ShéKayla teeth is just fine. So she just was there and they put some kind of thing on her teeth, some kind of coat, but they say her teeth is just fine and just advise her like how to like brush, whatever. For me, I have to come back next week. Me and Sean coming back next week and we're gonna get our clean. Yeah, we're gonna get our treatments. Yeah, so we come back to get our treatments next week and stuff like that. So they didn't do none of that today. Today was more like a little evaluation or whatever, a checkup. Screening, not evaluation. Yeah, so today was just a screening really. So they didn't do any cleaning today. So we back next week. I wonder if this is an African store. Where is it then, Kayla? You been to it? Where is it? Cause them sell pigtail and stuff like that too, you know, Sean. You don't know, Kayla? This one? Nah, this is sweets. But this is not African, is it? Oh, African and Caribbean. Okay. Alright, so they have this. I'm gonna stop in there on the way back and see what I can get because I want to get some plantain and stuff. I didn't know there was like an Afro-Caribbean store right there. So I'm gonna stop there on the way back. We're just gonna go and get a few stuff from the high street, y'all. Rivi is here as usual, being a good boy. Say hello. Yeah, see? You're smiley. Oh God. God. You see why y'all gonna think that River is such a good boy and he don't be naughty. He's so pleasant with his little smile. Alright, y'all. Catch y'all in a bit. Guys, we're in this fish shop. Did you know that that's how tilapia look? This is tilapia. I never see tilapia before. I would have never known. Did you guys know? This is tilapia. Where is snapper? This is a big snapper. Wow. Yeah. ShéKayla want lashes, y'all. See them here, but them really long. They don't have no short ones. They're really long. No, them too long. Come. Come. No, you cannot. Come. This is different. Scanning the receipt to go. Wow. Wow. That is really something. To close. You gotta scan the receipt to get out and you use the self-check. Wow. Y'all see that, y'all? We got church going on the high street. Yeah, we have church going on. Where is ShéKayla? Sean, why you have your hoodie on? You look like you're about to steal from this store. Better take your hoodie off.
You make them follow me there.
Watch him.
You
look guilty. Oh crap, I'm falling. Y'all see you got church going on the high street? Oh my gosh. For y'all who haven't been to church in a while, there you go. So I'm here at WH Smith. We just had some lunch. And obviously straight across from where we had lunch, ShéKayla see WH Smith. And no surprise here, books. Books. What book are you getting? Twisted Love by Anna Wong. Is it Wong? Wong. Okay. Alright, let's go pay for it. Alright. This was easy. She been in here a while, y'all. She ate. Spear. Oh yes, Spear. How much is Spear? 14. So I have Spear on my phone.
The half price.
A big book. What's here? Spear. Oh boy. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go pay for ShéKayla's book, and then I need to go by this Afro-Caribbean shop. I need to see if I get some pigtail. So let's go there. Alright. Ooh, products of Jamaica. A produce of Jamaica. Y'all, I'm here trying to get the pigtail. I have to. Oh, okay. I wonder how much for it though. Sorry, how much is this pigtail? The pigtail? Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright. I'll get a piece of this pigtail, $2.99 for it, because I'm gonna mix it with some beef and stuff like that. Let me see what else they have. Do they have anything else down here for me though? What are these things? What's this? I don't even know. It's an African store too, you know. You can get 3 eggnogs. No, Sean don't want it. It's fine. How much do you sell your breadfruit for though?
Depends how much you want.
Oh, you have to wait. Okay. There's no right planting. And the planting?
$2.20 for free.
Okay. I didn't buy much. Just like, yeah. I was trying to get planting, but the planting, they don't have any right planting. And planting seem to have gone up. Babe, I got eggnog in there front. For me, you and ShéKayla. Yeah, the planting them wasn't ripe. They got like 3 for $2.20. Planting gone up in a Sean. Used to have plantings 3 for £1. She said 3 for £2.20. Hold on, let me put on my seatbelt. Yeah, it's time I get out of here. Parking is up, so I gonna go before councilman come around to put tickets and stuff like that. So if you made it to the very end of this vlog, thank you so much as always for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big fat
vlog. You end it like 10 times because you don't know if it was the end or not.
Yeah, I'm going home and I'm vlogging because I got editing to do tomorrow. Sunday is for tomorrow.
Okay.
yeah, so yeah, if you made it to the very end, thank you so much for being here. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
All right, people.